Hi and welcome to this Composite C1 video. Here I'll be showing you how you can create razor functions to extend the functionality of Composite C1. So I've created a page, and here I'd like to show some tweets searching for some keyword. Now to get started, let us find a keyword to search for. So I'll use my random word generator here. We'll be searching for snail. Okay, so let's tweet that. Making a video about snail. So to get the feed from Twitter, I'd like to use a razor function. Before I go ahead and create it, let me just show you that I don't have a namespace here called demo. So let's go ahead and create that using Visual Studio. Now to create namespaces with our razor functions, we basically we go to the app data folder and the razor folder, and below this one we start creating our namespace folders. So here I create a folder called demo, and in demo I'll go ahead and put my razor file. Now I've installed an extension for Visual Studio here that gives me easy access to Composite C1 razor function boilerplate files. So I select that and I say Twitter feed and add it. A quick intro, we have an inherit declaration which gives us access to some of the features in the CMS and ensures that the CMS can recognize us. We have a function description here we can control, and here we have a sample parameter. A property turns into a parameter inside the CMS, so I can send information to my razor code. And then we have a HTML block. Now to save some time, let me just quickly copy paste some code here. So what we are doing now is we have a keyword property with a nice little label. We have a max items property with a label and a default value of 5. We can see we're using different types, so you can use all kinds of types to pass information to your razor code. And then we're using xdocument to go ahead contact Twitter with using this URL to load down the search result. To construct this URL, we just pass on the keyword, very simple. And then the result, we're taking all the atom entry elements, and then we're taking the number of items we have specified as the max item, the parameter we defined up here. And then we go ahead and say data, we loop through it, and we show it in this HTML template down here. So pretty straightforward razor with the ability to go ahead and define parameters to our code. So if I go ahead and save this, Composite C1 will pick up on it, and if I go back into my editor now and say I want to insert a function, you'll see that now I have the demo namespace, and we have our Twitter feed function right there. If I hover it, I'll even see the description that we specified. So if I say OK, it will invoke the function properties dialog, and here I have the two parameters I specified. Now the maximum tweets to show, that had a default value, so I don't have to specify that. I just see the default value there, 5. And let's specify the keyword, and it was snail. So let's say we want to search for snail. Let's go preview that. And we got a response from Twitter. Now sadly they're not showing my tweet. I would have loved to have that right in there, but you get the basic idea. So this is what a razor function looks like in Composite C1. If you want to include something in the head, you simply put it into the head section down here. When we render your function, we'll take the content of the body and embed at the place where you put the function, and whatever you put into the head, we'll make sure makes it to the final page head. So it's easy to include things like CSS and scripts and so on. Razor functions in Composite C1 4.0. Thank you for watching.